Good evening, YouTube. Good evening, the Silver Forum. We've got a NGC unboxing today. I've just got a very narrow window of opportunity to film this in one take and get these off to the respective customers. So without further ado, we will crack on. The first one we've got today is the King Charles Coronation 2-ounce silver, PF70 Ultra Cameo. What a great result for the silver. Some silvers are a little bit difficult to grade at the minute, so we are getting a few lower numbers. So to get a 70 on that coin is frankly spectacular, and what a great coin that is. We have got PF69, the fifth portrait 2015. Yeah, this was a problematic coin that came into me. I did a little bit of conservation work on it. Didn't get the top results, but on a 69 for the condition of the coin, we can't complain with that one. And I'm just seeing these coins for the first time, so bear with me. We've got a PF70 Ultra Cameo, the DNA. I quite like the effect on that coin. And we've got the the £2 Discovery DNA PF69. Again, we weren't expecting top results with this coin, so it's good to go into grading with your eyes wide open. And sometimes, you don't necessarily get the top results, but that's just how it goes. We've got the quarter solve Jubilee. These are still very popular with collectors, and they do grade normally quite well. So it's usually top marks for these. Yeah, another PF70 for the half. The gentleman is extremely happy with the grades of these. And we've got another PF70 on the full, so no complaints there at all. What's this one? A bit of dust on there. And we've got a memorial once of. These are nice. I was speaking to a couple of fellow collectors about these, and they haven't instantly taken off. But for a sovereign, I think these are beautiful and one of the nicest special reverse, special year proof sovereigns in my opinion. So I think the market of these still has time to grow, but that's just purely my opinion. Where are we now? Right, here we go. 2-ounce silver Une in the Line, PF69. And again, silvers are tricky. But I'm sure there's going to be no complaints. We've all seen these on the secondary market and the sort of figures they fetch. What's this? Yeah. We have got a 1989 half sov PF70 Ultra Cameo. These go for big money now on the secondary market. I wish I would have bought more of these only a couple of years ago. Top marks on that. Everybody's going to be happy with that one. Oh, we've got another one. We've got the full sov that got a PF69, and again that's realistic. Yeah, a lot of these have come back as 69s, but take nothing away from that said, it's a good result, that one. We have got a £5, the 2008 Elizabeth I. That's come back a PF67. We knew putting this in it was tricky, it was problematic, and the result is reasonable on this coin. It's one I might show when I've got a little bit more time in a little bit more detail. Oh, we've got another 1989 PF70 Ultra Cameo on the 2-sov. Happy days are here again. What a great result. Really happy for the bloke. Oh, I've got here. Beautiful coin these. On the quarter coronation gold. These are absolutely fancy pants. I do like these. I managed to get, I will show that in another video, I managed to get my hands on the uber rare reverse gold proofs of these. So I might do a side by side. So that's a nice little gem. We have got another coronation crowned 50p. And what a winner. That's a really nice coin. No, can't complain with the results with that one. Oh, and we've got another one. We've got the silver proof this time. I did this one grade. Got a 70. And again, silvers, I always submit silvers with a little bit of intrepidation because they don't necessarily always get the top marks. So you just got to be aware of that. Sometimes you don't get the results what you're expecting or don't want, but that's just a fact of grading life. So you can't always have it your own way. But again, happy with that one. And we've got a gold proof £2. I can't remember which this one is. Oh yeah, it's the first steam locomotive. Yeah, what a result with that one. I did the conservation work on this coin myself because there's a few little marks on there, which I managed to get off for the gentleman. He was happy to do the work for him. We've got a good result on that one. Where do we go from here now? Oh, we'll go from here. We've got the Queen Elizabeth Platinum Jubilee coronation obverse. What a beautiful coin this is. And again, the gentleman bought this as a punt. So we kind of, it looked good to me. And again, it's one I want to look, if I ever get the opportunity, I want to have a look at this one in real detail. But it's, at the time of submitting this coin, I couldn't see anything far wrong with this one. So I'll have a look and to see if you can actually see what's actually brought the grade down on that one. But nevertheless, it's still a nice coin. Oh, here we go. This one's for my mate. I'm sure Mr. Kevin's going to be happy with this one. 5 sov, beautiful coin, graded well. And again, with these being the first sovereigns of King Charles III, I believe, it's only my belief, you can think what you want, but I think there's still more mileage in these coins going forward. We've got another Platinum Jubilee, a quarter, a 70 again, can't complain. We've got oh yeah, it's a Buller Clarence. Yeah, this one's come back at 69. A little bit tough, this one. A little bit tough. Looks good to me. And a 69 is a good coin. The market can be a double-edged sword. We're getting some 69. Some people are put off with it, but we're talking minuscule differences between a 69 and a 70. That's one, if I do get a little bit more time, I will have a closer look at. We've got another Platinum Jubilee. Happy days are here again. These are great coins. In terms of secondary market value, these are still fetching $8.95, $900, $920. So if you bought these for RRP, I think RRP back then was about 560, 580, something around that. So there's still quite good margin to be had for people who are passing these on. A lot of people are collecting these and keeping them for obvious reasons, because we'll never see a longest reigning monarch again in our lifetimes or even great grandkids' lifetimes. So these are a special coin to have. What else have we got? We've got a half Platinum Jubilee, another 70. They always grade well then. Oh, here we go. This is a result. PF70 Ultra Cameo on the 2007 double. This was bought on the secondary market. And yeah, I know for a fact the gentleman's done well on this coin. He always buys well on that. So yeah, he's quite a shrewd buyer. So he's definitely not going to complain at that result. And again, another coin that was picked up on the secondary market by a shrewd buyer. Can't complain with that one either. This time, this double came back at a PF69. Looks nice, doesn't it? And again, if you can spot anything with that, good luck to you, because I can't. I'm working behind the camera and it's early in the morning, but yeah, it's quite hard to spot anything wrong with that one at all. It's and we've got one more. Yeah, this one. I remember this one. This one again got bought on the secondary market in and around spot. Always worth a punt if you can get these sort of third portrait McLuth proof Britannias, and if you can pick them up for somewhere near spot, you're gonna do okay. You can't really lose. And getting a 69 that one is it's no detriment for what the gentleman paid for that one. So it's all about risk and reward. What have we got here? Do I show that one? Yeah, we've got two absolute beauties here, folks. These do deserve a little bit more time. That's my Pokemon mat. If anybody, these are really good for coins because it doesn't slip. You can put your coins on there, and I found that quite a good mat for coins. Here we go, boys. Just, stop the press. Bingo, bango, bongo. What a result on that one. Yeah. So you guys know the coin market. You've got a good idea how much this baby's worth. So yeah, a stunning result. This was a 4-coin set. So it was. I don't know where the coins are now. I won't get them out. But it's to get a 70 on the 5. It's well worth just putting the entire set in. So there's 3 70s and 169 out of that 4-coin set. You've got to thank your lucky stars for that result. Just put that to one side. We've got another gorgeous coin here. It's the £200, and it's the 2-ounce memorial coin. You don't see many of these around. I do think the mintage, I don't know the mintage off the top of my head, but I know these were very low mintage. Really nice for a collection. And again, I think there's more mileage in these coins yet. I think some coins don't automatically show their hand in terms of popularity. So sometimes you've got to get a coin, you've got to hold it, grade it, and just see how the market progresses. So we've got that one there. Just put that one away. And we've got some now. Now this is going to be a strange one because you're not going to be able to see these. You're just going to hear my reaction. This is spectacular. Anybody who likes Royal Mint era coins, these are absolutely just phenomenal. As howlers go, they are quite spectacular. But you can see on the screen, you're going to have to go over to Cobra Stacker's channel to see these coins. So he's got one there, and it is absolutely, as errors goes, this one's spectacular. The next one. And these came in from Cobra Stacker. He was a bit unsure how to grade these because we were talking to him on the phone and how these would actually grade in terms of what attribution you get on the labels. It's clearly a mint error. It's a mint error MS64. I'll read the label. There's an error underneath it, and again, it's just spectacular that when you see me rotating the coin, and you'll see it on his channel. He's got another one. This one's an MS66, but it does get better. It does get better. This one's an absolute corker. Again, it's a Minter MS66, but this has got 2 error attributions on the coin. I'll let you one know. One's a rotated die, and I won't say what the other one is. But as errors goes, these are spectacular, and it's a modern coin as well. Well done, Royal Mint. You do keep our collectors happy with these. He's got one more, and again, that's got 2 error attributions on it. And the final one, these are silver 1-ounce bullion Britannias. I'll tell you what they are. And again, this has got a mint error MS65. And again, rotated dies on that, but you will have to go over to his channel to see those. I will not take the glory away from him on those. So I will put a link in the description to his channel. He's a top guy. So thanks for watching this morning, folks. It's a quick show and tell. I will see you again shortly. I will try and have a look at these 69s in a little bit closer detail, and if I can get a window of opportunity, I might just have a little bit of a close up on them and see how the see what if we can actually see any issues with them. So thanks for watching today, and I will see you again soon. Ta-ra.